Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Nik Muhammad Anis Azim bin Abdullah. Nombor metrik 13 DDT 19 F1036. Okay. Untuk for our project is inventory management system, and as you can see the interface is right there. It's starting with product description, product code, and number of day, code, cost per day. And in panel 2, we have credit limit, setting due date, setting discount, pay due day, credit check, payment overdue, deposit pay, payment method. And panel 3, we have checkbox is can check credit, term agree, account on hold, restrict mailing. And panel 4, account open, application date, next credit review, last credit review, date received. For the button in the panel 5, total, reset and exit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cik Fikri Bashir Manasir, number 1344. Okay, I will show you the coding about the button exit. Button exit, which are easy and message box show. And the description is confirm if you want to exit inventory system. In message box button, yes or no. Message box icon, information. If I exit equal to the result, yes, then application dot exit. And if to button reset, I will use check account hold, on hold, check credit, check the system mailing, check term agree. So description to false. Another that text cost per day. Not clear, text pay due day, text product code, text set due day. And for the label subtotal, label tag, label total, and date time picker 1, date time picker 2, date time picker 3, and date time picker 4. For CMB account, CMB, common box, account open, credit limit, set discount, for product description, and no day. For account open, we used to set an item, credit limit equal to 0, discount equal to 0, product description, set an item, number day equal to 0. Retrieve info and receipt.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Emil Zimbisyam. Matric number F1057. I will talk about coding private sub phone 1. Dim node as integer. For nodes equal 1, 2, 3, C5 step 29. Node.item.add. Next, credit limit .test equal to 0. For Q equal 0 to 50 step 10. Credit limit .item. Next, set discount .test equal to 0. For D equal 0 to 25 step 5. Set discount. Next, combo box product description .test equal to seller and item. Next, combo product description layout mover combo product discussion dot item pickup van, combo product discussion semi miser, combo board product discussion electric generator. Next, combo board credit check dot test equal to validate account. Combo credit check dot item yes. Combo credit check dot item no. Next, combo board deposit pay equal to deposit pay. Combo board deposit pay yes. Combo board deposit pay no. Next, combo payment overdue equal to overdue pay. Then we have combo payment overdue yes and no. Next, combo payment method equal to cash. Then we have combo board payment method Visa card, Mastercard and debit card.
Oh, tu Ming. Oh, CHK.
Lagi kau?
Oh. Oh, Pak bawah CHK.
Coba.
Oh, checkbox
Check kredit tu.
Check kredit.
Itu aku baca laku.
Oh,
Betul lah,
Pak.
kau.
Pak tu baca.
Cik Peti aku baca kau.
Oh, baca.
Cik Gadi. Baca kan Cik Gadi.
Saya check je lah. Baca je lah. Ni checkbox ni. Check.
So next we have next we have for check credit perbesar check credit. Next agree. Then perbesar check account on hold. And perbesar check restrict mailing underscore check change. Okay, that's all from me.
My name is Michael Biaramli, number metric F1085. This coding for combo product distribution. If combo product distribution dot tag equal to loan more, then text product code dot text, and this declaration text cost per day equal to 12, and text pay due day for equal to format currency. If combo product distribution equal to pickup van, then text product code equal to PUP 852, and text cost per day equal to 17. Text pay due day equal to format currency. Else if combo product description equal to cement mixer, then text product code equal to CEM 536. Text cost per day equal to 15, and text pay due day equal to format currency. And L if combo product description equal to electric generator, text product code equal to E1E G57, text cost per day equal to 10, and text pay due day equal to format currency. And if after that, code for combo nowadays, first dim q as integer equal to vol, date time picker 2 equal to date time picker 3, date time picker 3 equal to date time picker 4, and date time picker 4 equal to date time picker 4. If all combo nowadays text to 59, combo credit limit text to equal to 10 and combo set discount equal to 0. Else if val combo node equal to 59, combo credit limit equal to 20 and combo set discount equal to 5. Else if val combo nodes to 117, combo credit limit equal to 30 and combo set discount equal to 10. Else if val combo nodes to 175 and combo credit limit equal to 40, combo set discount equal to 15. Else if val combo nodes to 233, combo credit limit equal to 50 and combo set discount equal to 20. Same with atas dia, combo nodes to 59, combo credit limit equal to 50 and combo set discount equal to 25. Next, code for button total. Label subtotal dot text equal to val combo nodes and tag cost per day. Discount equal to label subtotal bintang combo set discount and divide by 100, and label subtotal equal to label subtotal minus discount. Label text equal to label subtotal bintang darab dengan 0.23. Label total equal to label subtotal and label total equal to label total plus in bracket label subtotal darab dengan 0.23. And label text equal to format currency in bracket label text. Label subtotal equal to format currency in bracket label subtotal, and label total equal to format currency in bracket label total. So this coding. Okay. Tak apa.
You hear about coding, and I will show you the output that my partner tell you. And this is the output. You can, for product description, select item, and you can pick whatever it is. For example, I will pick a pickup van, and it will show you the product code and cost per day and number of day, whatever. For example, 88, and it will show you after you pick a number of day, credit limit, set due date.
Bob, boleh show Bob? Tak keluar ni lah Bob.
Ha?
Ni
Tak
kau
gerak,
pre-
Bob.
Ni kau present yang ni
Ya.
Macam present yang output dia.
Nampak?
Okay. Nampak.
Aku start balik kan?
Tak apa. Start cakap sambung je balik. This
Ah,
output.
set discount, pay due day, and credit check, and you can select no, payment overdue, no, and deposit pay, yes, and payment method, whatever, debit card, Visa card, Mastercard and debit card, and Mastercard, and term agree, receive email and can check and you can and the panel 4 will show you the application date, next credit review, last credit review, date received. It will show you the date and after you click the total button, it will show the receipt and tax, subtotal and total. And the button is the button reset and will reset all the item you select and exit will ask you confirm if you want to exit and click yes if you want to exit, no for not to exit.